Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how you can recover partition data or data that was lost from your Mac volumes due to file system corruption on your Mac OS. It's quite simple to restore all the partition data from your Mac OS with the help of recovery software. There's this recovery software which is designed specifically to recover partition data after file system corruption on your Mac OS. So if you're looking to recover data after file system corruption, then you can just visit this link and hit the download now button to get this software on your Mac. I have this application installed on my Mac, so I'll just run this software on my Mac OS and I'll show you how you can recover data using this software. So here's the main screen of the software. So all you'll see on the main screen are three buttons at the bottom, that is recover files, recover photos and recover volumes or drives. So all you have to do on the main screen is just click on recover volumes or drives option that you see here. That is the third option. Upon clicking the third option, you'll be given two additional options, that is volumes recovery and reformatted recovery. We are not dealing with formatted or even reformatted recovery here. We're just looking to recover data from our partitions, that is nothing but volumes. So I'll go with the first option, that is volumes recovery. Okay, on the next screen you'll find the disk that is connected to your Mac OS. So all you'll have to do on this screen is just select the disk from which you're looking to recover partition data and then click on the next button that you see on the software down here. And on next screen you'll find a list of all volumes that are present in the disk that was selected by you in the previous step. So all you'll have to do on this screen is just select the volume from which you're looking to recover data. On this screen you'll find all the lost partitions from a Mac OS which are lost after the file system corruption. So you just have to select the partition and then click on the next button that you see on the software down here. Okay, and these are the two scanning methods provided by this software. The first scanning method, that is standard scan, is relatively fast and will recover most of your files which are lost after the file system corruption. However, if standard scan couldn't recover your files, then you can go with an advanced option, that is advanced scan. This option will implement a more rigorous scanning technique which will make sure that all your files are recovered after the file system corruption. For this video, I'll go with the second option, that is advanced scan. So I'll click on this option. And here the software gives me a list of different file types which I would like to recover from my partition. So if I'm just looking to recover pictures, then I can select this option which will just recover the pictures from my partition. However, most of us would like to recover the entire data which was lost after file system corruption. In such scenarios, you'll just have to skip this step by clicking on the skip button that you see here. This will make sure that the entire data from your partition is recovered back. For this video, I'll recover the entire data from my partition by clicking on the skip button. Okay, as you can see here, the software now begins to recover the data from the partition that was selected by me. So all I'll do now is just wait for the recovery process to complete, after which I can review the data which was recovered from my partition and then save back the data to a folder on my Mac. Okay, so once the recovery process is completed, I'll be given a list of all files and folders that were recovered from my partition. Now since I'm looking to recover the entire data that was recovered from this partition, I'll have to click on the root folder, which in turn selects the entire list that was recovered. And finally, I'll click on the save button so that I can save back all these files to a folder on my Mac. Here I'll select a folder which I've already created on my desktop and click on save. Well, as you can see here, the software now begins to save back all the recovered data to this folder. I'll wait for the saving process to complete, and after which I'll go back to this target folder and check if the saving process was successful. Okay, now since the saving process is completed, I'll go back to the target folder to check if the saving process was successful. So here we can see that all the files have been successfully saved to this folder. So it's this simple to recover back data from a partition after file system corruption on your Mac OS. This recovery software can be downloaded from the link that are provided below. This software can easily recover any amount of data from a Mac OS after file system corruption. So if you are looking to recover data from your Mac OS after file system corruption, then you can just visit the link that are provided below and download the software on your Mac. Thanks for watching.